Mohsin Raza has started the 2025 season in outstanding form, becoming the third highest run scorer in the لاڑکانہ region with 231 runs in just 2 innings, including a superb 151-run knock against Khairpur. A technically sound batsman, particularly effective in four-day cricket, he also contributes as a reliable wicketkeeper. Mohsin holds the distinction of being the youngest player to lead the لاڑکانہ region, reflecting his early leadership potential. While he continues to receive consistent opportunities, stronger performances at the regional level will be key for his progress. If his current form continues, it will be highly beneficial for both him and the لاڑکانہ region.